Hi guys, good morning. Oh, actually good afternoon, it's gone midday. On the Friday, 24th of April, last trading day of the week. Some big levels coming into play. This is actually the S&P on my mid-range level, where if it was to finish here, it would be very frustrating. Because it, for me, is a bullish above, bearish below. I haven't changed these levels on my chart really from the whole week. So this is the key support point where the bears need us to break, and this is the key resistance that the bulls need us to break. In between, obviously you can see my levels marked up. Obviously yesterday's high, bang on the high of the week. We retraced, we came down, we picked up some support from this level, lovely push higher, and now we're into another key area as well. Can we get above it? Let's wait and see. But last night we had the news on Gillette. The vaccine was a flop at first trial. I mean, look, this is the rally off that news, and we're back to where we were. I mean, I'm not convinced it's a massive story. So I think we do push higher, but unless we get above 2,800 to finish the week, that's not going to take place just yet. So let's wait and see. Let's see how that pans out. But those would be the key points going into this weekend. I'll be focusing on. Let me just mark that up and here. So these would be now the early levels I'll be looking to take a trade on really. I mean, you could argue this zone here around 27.76. But I'd expect a bit of resistance around here before potentially pushing on into the close. Let's have a quick look over at oil. It's obviously been in focus this week. I'm of the view we get $20 and we test it. However, we did make a little run through this morning trying to break. We got a test of this trend line, little false break, broke below a key level of support. Then you can see it acted as a support level in that false break, and we're pushing higher now. A bit of a risk-on feel to markets in the last hour, 2 hours, and that's going to help oil. Finish the week if we can get above this potential trend line. Fantastic for the bulls. If we close below that trend line, the bears have won the week. So below 16, bearish; above 18, bullish, and I think we're going to get to $20 in my opinion, and that's when a real decision has to be made. So where we close the week on any week is important, but on some of these markets, these levels are absolutely pivotal. Gold, are we going to get the test of the year high? That's a focus of many people, up towards these levels near 1800 on the futures. So have a look, see if we can get a bit of a trend line on here. Not yet. Weekly close for me is bullish at the moment, as long as we stay above the high that we had on the 7th, and it was the high that we had on the 22nd yesterday, and then support today as well. So you know, the bulls know what they need to do here. To the downside, when could it get interesting? Really, it is below that level. It is below the level trend line, and we'll be waiting to see. Bullish above, bearish below. Mid-rangey for now, despite being up $11, I think. Yeah, fair move today. But yeah, those would be the key points. The S&P, keep an eye on these levels, literally where we're trading now. Oil, $20 incoming, unless we get below 16 to finish the week, and maybe get ugly again. Gold, 1742 is key for the bulls to defend, and the bears need to get us below there as well. Hope you'll have a good weekend, and I'll catch you all Monday around midday.